Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach. A little different video for you today. Instead of going through every single feature and throwing a lot of specs at you, what we're going to do is walk through the entire Aria lineup and just show you the floor plans. I have them all with me here, the 3401, the 3901, and the Aria 4000. And as we go through the tour, you'll see at the bottom all the information will pop up at the appropriate time. But 3401, let's start 34 feet, 9 inches. All of them are going to be built on the same Freightliner chassis. You have the OptiView dash, you have the steering wheel controls, your infotainment center with Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. All your controls conveniently located over here from your one-touch leveling jacks. Auxiliary start, dash fans, air horn, cabin light, service light, docking lights, remote heated mirrors, your manual air dump there. All the controls are right there, very intuitive. Dial in your Aria, set that screen exactly how you want to use it. So here we are in the 3401, Project 2000 bunk above us. TV over the cab, you can see the chair swivel, electric power footrest right here. That comes out with a button right over here so you can sit back, relax, and just enjoy 12 volt and 110 right over here. Nice, long dream dinette. I love the decor in here. This is an absolutely beautiful look. Wireless charging in the back here, USB A and C plugs. You have cup holders. Look at the size of this, easily seat 4 here. Smart TVs in here so you can stream whatever you want. Connect to the WineGuard Connect 4G hotspot Wi-Fi extender across the lineup. Make your own safe, secure internet connection, and now internet for smart TVs, or you want to hop on the laptop, whatever it is. This is a great feature. I love these. These are new. These power theater seats, the cup holders, a lot of storage. These are super comfortable. I love the feel of this material. USB A charging ports. Look at that power. Power all the way back. I could take a nap. I could take a nap. This is actually really super comfortable. I am impressed with the changes to this. This is awesome. Nice wall sconce back there, but look at all the room you have in here. Just super roomy. Great kitchen in here. Solid surface counters. Covers for the double bowl sink. Pull down sprayer. This is a good look. I like this. You have your convection microwave right up here, dual burner cooktop, a lot of storage down below. Rapid Cam Plus does everything, light slides, climate, whisper quiet AC on right now. We have this actually on. We have it on cool and you can barely hear it, but it's keeping it really comfortable inside. Bathroom midship right here. Everything you need, a lot of counter space in here. We have the two-tone cabinets going on. Nice shower in there. Foot flush toilet, counter space, everything you need in a bathroom. Residential fridge, pantry, a lot of space in here, so store whatever you need in here. Tilt-a-view bed. That dinette is so large you actually need 2 filler cushions to fill in. So we have one in this massive closet. The other one is right there, so very large wardrobe in here. Access it from shoes and hats and whatnot over there, hanging clothes here, washer and dryer right back here, nice dresser top back here, 110s, TV, beautiful floor plan. Beautiful floor plan. This is the 3401, and we are going to, I think we actually have all 3 decor choices for you in here. Let's look it up. All right, so we're going to see the Cambria today. And we're going to see all of these. We're going to see all of our decors. All right, so let's head on to the 3901. Tom, as we walking down here and have a couple of things I just want to point out. Dual fuel fills on this. You have a cool like logo light that throws the Thor logo on there. Very large storage bays. Back here, 10,000 pound hitch on here. And into the 3901. So this is going to be a different decor, different floor plan, different layout, same exact cockpit features that we just talked about in the 3401, but this is the 3901. This is a really killer floor plan. This is a really killer floor plan. I like the changes and additions. As we're walking through these, you're walking through these with me when the changes actually for the first time. So we're seeing this all together. Oh, this is new, Tom. Look at that. So now you have a place down here for your driver. If you want to plug your phone in way back there, you can. There's other places up there, but that's really nice. Or if you're sitting here on this sofa, you have the power theater seats over there again. So those are really nice. You have the nice chrome cup holders in here. This is going to be, look at that, you got your bed, pull-out bed in here, so you got a lot of sleeping in here. So you just move the cushions and you fold that out. Again, you have the overhead bunk, super comfortable chairs. You also have the dinette here as well. Again, same great features in the dinette. 2 safety tethers in here, the wireless charging, cabinets above, everywhere you look, all kinds of storage. Nice ceiling light in here as well. And then we get into this awesome campsite kitchen. You have the pull-out countertop extension right here. The double bowl sink. We have removed the covers in this one. Pop-up outlet here too, so 3 plugs there for coffee makers and appliances. Again, the same microwave and the same electric induction cooktop. Your TV is over here. Nice fireplace here. These throw off some serious heat, by the way. Do love the feel of this material. The look, absolutely beautiful. Your Rapid Camp Plus. You have your double door fridge. Again, a nice large pantry in here. And in this one, we have a half bath. So there's our half bath in there, a lot of counter space, your porcelain toilet. And then as we head into here, king size tilt-a-view bed. Again, a lot of storage over here, a stackable washer and dryer. That's gonna be right here. More storage there, TV. Another large closet right there. And then into our super large rear bath fiberglass shower surround with the seat back there. Macerator toilet in here as well. 2 vanities. You have the 2 sinks back here. Lots of medicine cabinets. I think that is right back here. Pop-up outlet. That's a great feature in the bathroom. Hair dryers and curling wands and all of the things you need. Extra towels back here, or remove the shelves. Those are adjustable. They come out, a hanging rod up top. So a lot of closet space in here. This is the 3901. Love the flooring in here. Absolutely beautiful look. Beautiful look. One more to show you. That would be the Aria 4000. And again, all kinds of storage bays, all kinds of storage in here. You're going to have pass-through, you're going to have slide-out trays, you have the exterior TV on all of them, right? So you have the TV here, and then you have the power patio awning you put out with Rapid Camp Plus. Have all the paints here as well, so kind of cool. And finally, the Aria 4000 outside, the same. You got the beautiful full body paint, massive storage bays, the awning. And inside we go. This comes in at 41 feet, 1 inch in length. So all the controls, everything, the Atlas Foundation, always travel in luxury and style, right? Everything is the same except for the layout. So in here we have this large, I'm going to start in this kitchen because that's where I happen to be, but it's massive, right? You have the shelf here, you have plugs up here, same cooking with the microwave, 2-burner electric induction cooktop, sinks with the covers, a lot of storage. Over to our sofa here. This is going to be, let's look, another fold-out sofa here. So you have a nice sleeping there in the sofa bed. Cup holders, very comfortable indeed. Another very large dinette. Just flip this over on this side this time. This is our Cambria interior with the Windham cabinets. Again, smart TV, wireless charging, long dinette. Makes into a bed as well. So sleeping up above. There are seat belts here and in the sofa as well. That makes into a bed. This makes into a bed. We walk through the kitchen, nice pantry, residential refrigerator across the board. Now this is going to be your bunkhouse model. So couple in here, tablet holders right here. So you can go ahead and throw the old tablet right up there. You have charging ports and everything right here on the side. Large, whatever you want to use it for. Pantry, liquor cabinet, doesn't matter. You're going to use it. It's storage, and you can never have enough on your RV adventures. 2 full baths in this. 2 full baths in the 4000. Sliding glass doors in here. Foot flush porcelain toilet in there. Everything you need in a 2-bath motorhome. Rapid Cam Plus works the same. We have the tilt-a-view king bed down in this one, so you can see you still have plenty of room to walk around. The switch is right up here. And the same great sort of closet wall of storage from the storage. These are the ladders that you're going to need for your bunks and your drop-down overhead bunk. Large wardrobe here. Washer and dryer are right here. Storage above the bed and massive bathroom in here. Tom, want to wrap it up in here. We have 2 sinks in here. Macerator toilet back here. Porcelain toilet. Again, there are the filler cushions for your dinette to make into a bed. Nice fiberglass surround, large seat, tons of storage back here everywhere you look. Aria 4000. So again, just a simple walkthrough, quick look at all of the Aria floor plans. If you want to look at all the specs and all the features, we have those for you in a number of other videos, and you can always build your own Aria at thormotorcoach.com.